welcome to this week's new release video. I have got a brand new kit format for you guys. I still don't have a name for it. I put a post up in the Facebook group asking if anybody had a good name for this format. I haven't seen one that I really like yet, but if you have a name suggestion for this format of kit, leave it in the comments down below. For now, it's just, I don't know what I'm gonna put it as on the website, whatever. Anyway, so this is brand new. This is the only format that we're gonna have for these this week. And these are actually going to be marked to $12 for this weekend. And then they will go up to the regular price of $15.95. The rest of the website, you'll be able to use a coupon on, but for these, the coupons won't work. It is also the weekend of the Facebook group coupon, so if you're not a part of our Facebook group and you would like to join, I do keep it linked down below. Also, please ignore my nails. I can't get them done, and I don't have enough acetone right now to get them off, so they're just really bad. But anyway, let's look at these kits. And I will kind of walk you guys through the entire format. So basically what happened was we finished up all open orders last Friday, and that gave me time to play around with format, which is what normally happens if we finish up orders. And I've been wanting to, for a while, do a all foil format. So that's what these are. Every single page is foil, and it is a smaller kit. They are 4 pages. We're gonna have issues, I think, with focus. There we go. But this is just something I kind of wanted to do for a bit, and I had time, so here it is. The first one is a reformat. This is a reformat of Sunflower. My PR girl, Christy, really wanted a Sunflower kit, and I had an idea about how to redo this, and I really love how it turned out. So these are the full boxes. Your quote box here says stand tall, and then there are these really beautiful big sunflower pieces. And then throughout the rest of the sunflowers, every single full box here has foil. They have the foiling within. I'm in the floor and Ozzy is walking up, so he may put his feet in the frame. No? Okay. Anyway, so they have the foiling throughout the sunflowers as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the bottom washi to go with it because I love how this turned out. So your bottom washi has the sunflowers and then just a little bit of the confetti type foiling around it. So yeah, there is the full box sheet with the bottom washi sheet. For the rest of this, we've got the date covers, the weekly tracker, a daily tracker. These are some new things that I put in, just these kind of tiny arrow flags, and then we also have the regular flags. These both have the sparkle overlay, if you guys can see. And then the bow washi, as you can see, is still there. For the other 2 sheets of the kit, we have got, this took me so long to get these the way that I wanted them. Come on, focus, focus, there we go. So we've got some bows in these boxes. This one is actually an oops. This is gonna be reformatted for the next format of these. The lines that are in these, they're just too hard to print and get them correct. So I'll switch it over to probably having some more of this type of foil or the bow foil, but as far as these go, they're gonna have to be gone. These, we have already printed these and Mom has foiled them, so for now that's gonna stay. So we've got 3 of these 1/8 size boxes and then 6 of the 1/4 size boxes. Some of them have the bow up top, some of them have the little, this is the falling confetti bow pattern that I use. And then down here we've got the ones that actually just have the outline. Like I said, those aren't gonna be around though for the next format. And then we've got some as well that don't have foil. And then down here, these 2 have actually got some of the sunflowers in them. Moving further down, you have got your bow checklist. This is one of my favorite things. I love this. You've got these bow checklists on the side as well. And then at the very bottom, you have got 3 appointment labels that have the bow confetti. I don't know how well this is gonna pick up. But they've got that bow confetti overlay. And then these 2 here, I had this room and I wasn't sure what to do with it. So I've got some clear foil sheets that are coming out soon, and these were 2 things that were part of that. So I did this. You've got they're just a fancy, what are those things called? A doily, I think is what it is. And then you've got, this one just has a rounded line, and then this one has the line and the bow. And I thought that was just a nice use of space. And in a kit like this, I thought that it would work well. So for your 3rd sheet, we have got a bunch of headers, and this may be too many, and I might reformat so that we don't have quite so many headers, but some of them are more for spacing if you wanted to use them that way. So I did the bow divider style, except for they are squared off instead of being cut around the bow. We've got a thing of to-dos, if you guys can see the script. There we go. And then a row of the regular bow headers, like what we use in the micro kits, and then over to the side, today. So let me know in the comments down below, as far as the entire format, let me know what you think, and if there is anything that is missing or if there's too much of anything. I'm thinking we're probably gonna get rid of 2 rows of headers and use this space for something else. And then down here we have got washi. It does have foiling in it, which I love. It just has that confetti bow. And then down here at the bottom, we've got another row of those 1/8 boxes. Again, for this one, we're probably going to be, well, not probably, we're definitely going to be getting rid of that, and instead we'll put something else in. But you got the bows on this side, and then these are the bow flags. They're the same thing that's in the micro kits, except for they just don't have the glitter. I wanted to get rid of some of the glitter in these. So yeah, that is the format for these. Again, let me know in the comments what you guys think. They're gonna be $12 for the first, technically 3 days. So for Sunday at midnight, or probably Monday whenever I wake up, is when they'll come down from that price, and additional coupon codes won't work, but Facebook coupon this weekend and any other PR codes. Also, if you're just picking these up and you want to grab a PR freebie, just leave me their name in the notes since the code won't work. Moving on. So this is the second one, and we're just gonna kind of flip through this. So this is called Stay Home, and it is super appropriate for right now. You've got that confetti foiling on a couple of these, where we go, these boxes. You've got a quote box that says coffee, naps, wine, repeat. And then I just thought these eyelashes were really cute, so we did that there. This is a little bit different that I've been doing on these boxes. Normally there's a glitter border. Instead, I've been doing just a patterned border, so you guys can let me know if you like that as well. I think it looks really pretty. We've got the girl in the pantry here. We've got this girl with her coffee and the rug, like she's kind of like stepping out of her front door but not leaving because social distancing. So we do have 2 different skin tones in this kit already, so I'm not going to be offering to switch any of those. I already got asked that question. Generally, if I have multiple options available in the kit, I don't do the second like add-on type sheet or the replacement sheets. And since we've got 2 girls here, I went ahead and did that here. So up top, we have got the like couch scene with these really pretty pictures, the cloud planner with a to-do list. Over here is this laptop with the wine bottle, and as you can see, it actually has the shop's logo in it. Down here is the like computer office scene, and again, I put the shop's logo into there. And then down here is this really just cute pajama set and this face mask. So that is the full box sheet. And then moving on, here is your, I guess, functional sheet. I just don't even know what to call it. You've got your heart check, or not your heart checklist, but your bow checklist, those kind of scalped borders, appointment labels, and your boxes. You do also have a little bit of like floral down here. And then your next sheet has got your headers, your washi, and then your flags and boxes. And your last sheet has your flags, your arrows, you've got your daily tracker, weekly tracker, and then your washi and your date covers. So for this washi, I just did the bow drop confetti, or the bow pattern confetti. So yeah, that is this week's new releases. If you're watching this video, they are up. Like I said, they will be at that special price for today through Sunday. We are not gonna do the freebies with these. I am gonna go back to doing those again probably next week. And also, this is the only format for these kits, and I think we're just gonna kind of like go back and forth or try to figure out a system as far as deluxe and mini and all of that, and then these. I may keep doing these as like an every other week we release them in this format and we do that special price. I haven't really decided yet. But when we do a normal release, I will bring back those freebies for the first day's orders. But yeah, so I hope you guys love this week's new releases. I hope you guys are all staying home and staying safe if you are able to stay home, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.